Welcome to this tutorial on how PayPal invoicing works. PayPal invoicing is a convenient and secure way to request and make payments online. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating and paying through a PayPal invoice. First, let's start with the basics. A PayPal invoice is a digital bill that is sent by a seller to a buyer, requesting payment for a product or service. The invoice includes details such as the amount due, payment terms, and a link to pay online. To create a PayPal invoice, the seller needs to have a PayPal account. They can then log into their account, click on the Invoicing tab, and fill out the required information, including the buyer's email address, invoice number, and payment details. The seller can also add a description of the product or service, as well as any additional fees or taxes. Once the invoice is created, it is sent to the buyer's email address. The buyer can then review the invoice and click on the Pay Now button to make a payment. The buyer can pay using their PayPal balance, credit card, or bank account. When paying through a PayPal invoice, the buyer is redirected to the PayPal website, where they can log in to their account and confirm the payment. If the buyer does not have a PayPal account, they can still pay using a credit or debit card as a guest. One of the benefits of using PayPal invoicing is that it provides a secure and transparent way to make payments. PayPal protects the buyer's financial information and offers buyer protection, which means that the buyer can dispute a charge if they do not receive the product or service as described. Another benefit of using PayPal invoicing is that it provides a record of the transaction, which can be useful for accounting and tax purposes. The seller can also track the status of the invoice and send reminders to the buyer if the payment is overdue. In terms of fees, PayPal charges a small fee for each transaction, which is typically a percentage of the invoice amount. The seller can choose to pass this fee on to the buyer or absorb it themselves. In conclusion, PayPal invoicing is a convenient and secure way to request and make payments online. By following these steps, sellers can create and send invoices to buyers, and buyers can make payments quickly and easily. Whether you are a business owner or an individual, PayPal invoicing is a great way to simplify your payment process and reduce administrative tasks.